Okay, just looking at all of our loot again. Cole, what's your
Coin
favorite?
that
Is there a coin?
came. Yeah.
Or Bob, what's your favorite?
It's like little sashimi or something.
That's cool.
What's your favorite? Oh, there's your guitar, Lulu. What's your favorite, Lulu? Yeah. I still think my favorite is the tacos.
Did you see this one?
Yeah, she wants to show her guitar. Or, oh, the Cinnabon.
This is a PF Chang's one.
Was that the rare one? The PF Chang?
No, I think it was like a...
Oh, open that up, let me. Okay. That's, oh, pot stickers.
that's what they're called.
Yeah, pot stickers. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. See, it's fun.